It's very interactive, so he gives his own, I think, very valuable personal experience and insights into how to take good videos, especially those involving interviews. So I think that's the main takeaway for me, how to actually set up the shots, use multiple cameras, something I've never done, and eventually put together something that people want to watch.
See, you have camera 1, camera 2, camera 3.
Everybody rolling? Camera 1 rolling. Camera 2 rolling. Camera 3 rolling. Very beneficial for what I'm going to use it in the future. And he actually very down to earth. So it's like one by one he will teach, which actually makes me understand even better lah, for something that I really have no idea.
You will be learning how to do food reviews, cafe reviews, travel vlogs, and also how do you vlog a human interest story. Then we go into interview and edit. What is the best way to sequence your vlog so that people can understand it? It's easy to follow.
Mr. Sujimy has been very patient. There's a lot of sharing of his experience and knowledge.
I found the workshop very useful. Not only did Mr. Sujimy give a lot of technical advice, but also the non-technical aspects, such as how to make the video more engaging for the viewer, and also some tips and tricks to help improve the video.
You don't need any vlogging experience to go through this workshop, but you do need the interest to vlog.
I really enjoyed myself there. It was very insightful. Mr. Sujimy is very passionate about storytelling, and it's something I like to do too, but it was never in video format. So learning about how to tell a story through video was very interesting to me.
I like it, I like it, I like it a lot. Keep on doing what you're doing, don't you never ever stop. I like it, I like it.
Grow your number of views and also number of followers via a structured and effective vlog.